So it's a very, which I said, it needs a very fine tuning. How much we have to go, how much they are able to take it, how much they are going to understand. So, sometimes you see, people talk about me also and मेरे को कहते हैं, Nada, you are too moderate. I said, you see, you have to understand the public sentiment. And the larger picture. And that larger picture has to go forward. And the maximum people have to take it in that very spirit. So I would like to always suggest the volunteers that you have been working for our ideology. Not because you have been requested to work, but because you have a flavor, you have a liking, you feel that they are the nationalist party and we have to support them. That is why you are. And when that is the flavor, this national interest, the national thing has got so much of diversity. All has to be taken into consideration. Everybody's sentiment has to be recognized. Everybody's sentiments has to be taken into consideration. And then we have to mainstream them. And always remember, for larger cause, smaller cause have to be compromised. So the larger cause, the larger picture. We are leaders. We have an ideology for which we are working. That ideology is to make India stronger. That ideology is that under Prime Minister Modi, we have to see to it. When he has done the best during the COVID government, he has led the country on the international affairs also in the best possible manner. These are the issues to be highlighted. One thing more I would like to say. A good player, a good sportsman, a good player never plays on others' court. He always plays in his court. So bring the agenda to your court. Don't get dragged to their court. So decide कि आप कौन सा एजेंडा ले जाना है. Now you see, at this point of time, we all know that Prime Minister Modi has taken a lead as far as the pandemic management is concerned. World over it has been accepted, which we all know. Now this is something is to be highlighted. This is our court. This is our strong point. In vaccination, indigenous vaccination, the largest vaccination program has been undertaken by India under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. Why it should go unattended? Why it should go ignored? Why it should not be highlighted? I have been a health minister. I know 130 crore people, 1.3 billion people, vaccination. Is it an easy task? We have taken the Indradhanush program. I know how many health workers are needed for this. And you see the prioritization which Prime Minister Modi has done. First, the health workers, workers. Then the people above who are senior citizens. Then who are compromised patients, who have got comorbidity. Has any country done like that? But it has been done by Prime Minister Modi. Countries who have been strong and who have got better health systems, they have collapsed. And with 1.3 billion people, Prime Minister Modi has seen that we have got the best recovery rate. That is what we have done. So these are the issues of which we have to come forward. And this is where we have to bring the agenda. So never get dragged by the agenda, set the agenda yourself. That is what I would like to say. This is what we have to do. And this is not for selfish interest. This is in the interest of the nation. It is in the interest of the society. Need not to paint every time a bad picture. There are good pictures also. There is positivity also. And sometimes I find that a lot of our mind also gets vitiated or say pressurized because of this negativism. This negativism takes nobody nowhere. किसी को पुरस्कार मिला है negativism के लिए आज तक? You tell me. Anybody in the society has been recognized for negativism? For division? For confusion? So why you get so much perturbed about all these things? should think in positivity. And we have got many things in positivity which we should go forward. And people are looking for it. You are volunteers here. Nobody has requested to come here. It is the positive flavor which has brought you here. So understand, positivity has got its own strength. It has got its own content. And that we have to respect, and that flavor has to come forward. That is what I would like to say. One thing more I would like to say, that the content should be a good content, number one. Number two, it should be in English and in Tamil also. And in Tamil also, in various dialects also. So that it reaches more and more people. And for that, whatever effort you have to do, one should do, and we have to see to it that how do we go forward? How do we address this issue? So for that also, Tamil language, it should be propagated. The local dialects, that should be brought into the content. And the dialect should also be correct. Sometimes when we talk about dialect, the content is, the language is not correct, which gives us a negative or which brings criticism. So that we have to see. One thing more I would like to say, that whatever, if something wrong comes, it should be countered effectively. And again I will say, it should be countered with facts and figures. So that, and it should be simple. Need not be, I'm very conscious about it. Sometimes people say you are overcautious. But yes, I am. And I want my people to be there. The same way. You see, what I would like to communicate is, the essence of the matter should be addressed. We should not beat around the bush. तुमने कब कहा था, तुमने ऐसा कहा था, तुमने ऐसा कहा था is not important. तुमने क्या कहा था, that is important. So sometimes we deviate from so we should be countered, but it should be effectively countered, and fake news certainly should be countered. One thing I would request my volunteers is that help us in the WhatsApp groups at the booth level. The party is trying to develop each booth with a WhatsApp group, which should have content. And content, national, state, local, all issues should be there. But you should also, as one of the suggestions came, that so much of content comes that it becomes overlapping. That is also correct. So quality content, but content with a breathing space. ऐसा नहीं हो कि अभी मैं कंटेंट पढ़ ही रहा था कि एक और ऊपर से आ गया. Some more post is there. So what will happen then? Then there will be jamming. And when there will be a jamming, then what will happen is you will start ignoring it. Other people who read or who are interested in social media, their interest is going to fade out. So see to it that you at least give them a breathing space. अगर आपने सुबह कुछ पोस्ट किया, तो wait for 4-5 hours, see the comments, see what is going, whether you are trending or not, what more can be added to make it trend. लेकिन अभी हमने बातचीत की कोविड की और हफ्ते के साथ हम पहुंच गए मोहल्ले की, तो what will happen? That is not going to, that will be a mismatch. So that is what I would like to suggest. And of course, we also have to take care. How do we encourage the Tamil culture, the Tamil language, the Tamil practices, the ethos? All this has to be highlighted. And it's not only that we should be proud of it. We should see that the society feels proud of it. And how we can do it, that is also one thing which I would like to stress upon. Many good things have been done by Prime Minister Modi. It came during the question hour in suggestion also, that many good things have been done. That has to be highlighted. Again, that has to be highlighted. We want this to be highlighted. But be very exact and statistically correct. Just for example, I'll tell you. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. No, ठीक है, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. What does that mean? That means that in spite of 67 years of independence, it waited for Modi to make Tamil Nadu ODF free. Now this ODF free, and how many toilets have been constructed under Swachh Bharat? That is important. And in what span of time it has been done? That is important. If you are going to highlight these things, your post is going to become attractive. Otherwise, I also know Swachh Bharat मिशन के बारे में तो मोदी जी ने लाल किले के प्राचीर से बोला है. He has spoken from the ramparts of Lal Killa. Everybody knows it. But how do you translate Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, if you have to translate, there is a decrease in diarrhea cases in India and in Tamil Nadu also. That is wrong. There is a decrease in the cases of jaundice that you have to highlight. And for that statistics has to be done. Because of the Swachh Bharat, toilets were made, so the underwater was little purified and it is going towards purification. So diarrhea, jaundice, other waterborne diseases, that is on decrease. So how it makes an impact, that you have to see. Now Ujjwala Yojana, 8 crore gas connections have been brought. Agreed. 8 and I am told some I don't remember, but 1 crore 36 or something of that figure connections you have got in Tamil Nadu also. Good number of connections. But again, it is not only giving them a gas connection, it is increasing the green cover in the state also. It is directly related to the disease of heart. It is directly related to the disease of lungs. It is directly related to pulmonary disease that will be on decrease, and that too with the women folk in number. So it is in a way empowerment of women that we have to understand. So how do you, when electricity comes in one's house, aa gayi bijli. It's not aa gayi bijli. इसका मतलब आ गया फ्रिज, इसका मतलब आ गया टेलीविजन, इसका मतलब आ गया enlightenment, इसका मतलब आ गया you in the mainstreaming of the development part of the common man, that we have to understand. And when you identify these things and when you factually keep these things, these posts gets more traction. So this is what I would like to suggest, that as far as the central government schemes are concerned, good schemes are concerned, that is what we have to encourage. And you see, there are many people who are not interested in politics. But politics in totality, in the gambit, it takes everything. It takes social issues, it takes religious issues, it takes cultural issues, it takes issues related to the what I call it is the contradictions in the society. All that has to be addressed. And when I talk about all these things, we have to think in a positive manner. And I feel that the social volunteers will take this with full of maturity and with full of encouragement and with full of vigor and vitality. That is what I would like to request you. In the end, I would like to say that I thank you all again as volunteers of social media, because I said that there are many in many political parties who are not volunteers. But here I find that you are all genuine volunteers who have got full interest in seeing to it that the ideology of nationalism propagates, the ideology of strong nation propagates, that the culture of India, where I say that Tamil is a land which has got a rich culture and which has given a direction to the nation, that has to be. And this I'm not saying just for saying it. In my Congress speech I talked about how Tamil culture is a rich culture and that has given direction to the national culture and the contribution has been. We can't forget Adi Shankaracharya. We can't forget Ramanujamacharya. We can't forget. We can't forget the contribution to the nation. So all this has to be put in the right perspective, and we should understand in that very way. You have given me a very patient hearing. Few questions had come. Again, it was about the AMK, they are doing this, they are doing this. I would like to only say this, one thing, that if we would not like to go the DMK way. It is the BJP way. So whatever they are doing, you only say, God give them wisdom that they work in the right direction. But at least you are privileged that you are working and helping the party which is working in the right direction. That is what you are doing. There was a suggestion that common platform should be developed. There is a lot of data which can be used. It's a very good suggestion. We will take care of it. Technical part, I don't know how we can do it, but yes, I would request the IT cell, Nirmal Kumar ji, to see to it that all this database should be used. Was it? Do we go forward? Yes, there was a go forward in that direction. And there are very valuable suggestions which have come. Many could not get the opportunity. I would request you that we believe in a party where there should be a fresh air which should flow in. So what I would suggest is that in a piece of paper, please give suggestion to Nirmal Kumar, or you can send it to me also. We will try how we can adjust it. But this fresh air should also keep coming. That is the idea. Again, you have given me a very patient hearing. Once again, I thank you, and I will get an opportunity to meet you again and again, and we will work together and see that in Tamil Nadu also, in coming times, Kamal will blossom and Kamal will grow. Thank you.
One book release.
Our beloved native President Sri Nadaji, thank you so much for your vibrant and dynamic speech and valuable inputs. Your expertise and knowledge in all possible ways to develop BJP in Tamil Nadu. Thank you once again. நம்முடைய தேசிய தலைவர் திரு நட்டாஜி அவர்களுக்கு உங்களது பலத்த கரகோஷத்துடன் உங்களது வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவிக்கிறோம். தொடர்ந்து ஓர் இந்திய இஸ்லாமியரின் இதயத்திலிருந்து என்ற புத்தகத்தை சமூக நல்லிணக்கத்திற்காகவும் இந்து முஸ்லிம் ஒற்றுமைக்காக பாடுபட்டு வருகின்ற திரு வேலூர் இப்ராஹிம் அவர்கள் எழுதியுள்ளார்கள். இதில் சிஏஏ குறித்தும் முத்தலாக் தடை சட்டம் குறித்து 37 ஆர்டிகல் குறித்து அவர்கள் விரிவாக எழுதியுள்ளார்கள். அதை நம்முடைய தேசிய தலைவர் திரு நட்டாஜி அவர்கள் நம்முடைய மாநில தலைவர் டாக்டர் எல் முருகன் அவர்கள் பெற்றுக் கொள்கிறார்கள். தேங்க்யூ சோ மச். தொடர்ந்து சிறு குறிப்புகளை நம்முடைய மாநில பொதுச்செயலாளர் திரு கே பி ராஜன் விரும்பி வழங்குவார்கள்.
அடுத்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு யாரெல்லாம் இன்வைட் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்களோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ரூம் இருக்கு, அது ஹால் இருக்கு, அங்க இப்பவே உடனடியாக கிளம்பணும். உங்களுக்கு சில பேருக்கு சொல்லி இருக்குது, உடனே போங்க. எல்லாருக்கும் இல்லை, மீதி பேருக்கெல்லாம் உணவு இங்க இருக்கிறது. நன்றி உரை நம்முடைய திரு பாலாஜி அவர்கள் மாநில செயலாளர். அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நம் தேசிய தலைவர் ஸ்ரீ நட்டாஜி அவர்களின் தலைமை உரையோடு நமது மாநில தலைவர் வெற்றிவேல் நாயகன் எல் முருகன்ஜி அவர்களின் முன்னிலையில் மிக சிறப்பாக நடைபெற்ற இந்த சமூக ஊடக தன்னாளர்கள் நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு வந்திருந்த அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நமது தமிழக மேலிட பொறுப்பாளர் தேசிய பொதுச் செயலாளர் சி டி ரவிஜி, மற்றும் இணை பொறுப்பாளர் சுதாகர் ரெட்டிஜி அவர்களுக்கும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். வரவேற்புரை வழங்கிய சிடிஆர் நிர்மல்குமார் மற்றும் வந்திருந்த அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி 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 என்று தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். பாரத் மாதா கி.
தொடர்ந்து அனைவரும் எழுந்து நிற்போம். நாட்டு வாழ்த்து.